Hi guys, and I wanted to give you an update on our high risk trading with MA Momentum Scalper. If you look at our portfolio page, you'll see that we have two trackers set up, and I'll explain why that is in a second. As you see, the first one has crashed, and I've set up a new one. But let's look at the original one, which I had in my first video. So this one has crashed. You can see that it was shot up. It went up to 371% before it crashed. In fact, it crashed twice. But what I've done is I've taken money out three times on this. You can see taken all the money out. So you can see we've taken out $364 from the original $100 account. 297 of that were deposits. I had to refurbish it twice. You see twice here on the same day, and here initially. So the difference there, that's around $67 of profit that which we've taken out. And the reason why it says profit is 18 is because there's actually minus $48.66 in this account right now. And I'm not going to touch this because the broker has taken on this loss. That is one of the benefits of the negative balance protection accounts that you get these days with modern Forex accounts. So although there is a loss in there, minus 48.66, if I do put money in this account, if I do put another $100, the first lot of that will go towards paying this negative debt. So that's the reason why I've set up a new account. I'm going to leave this at the loss. Forget about this account, close it down. It doesn't really matter. I don't care anymore. I've already taken that $67 out of this account. And because of this negative number, I've set up a new account, which I'll show you now. So this is the new account, which I set up yesterday. You can see that we are already up 243%. It's made $170 in profit. And I've taken that out already. So I've taken out all the profit and I'm leaving the $100 in there to trade. And if we lose this, already I've taken out 170, so net gain will have $70 already, regardless. But obviously, I'm hoping for this to continue to grow and get bigger.